Honda Civic FN2 in black, and it's just made it up onto the dyno after Richard's completed some work today. He's fitted a hybrid racing induction kit, haven't you, Richard?
I have.
He has. So it's time for its initial power run. We've just put the AFR sensor in it, and now it's time to get rolling on the dyno and see what we've got to play with. Here we go. Okay, so black FN2, Richard fitted the hybrid racing induction kit this morning.
I did.
It sounds really good. And it's a good bit of kit, that. It takes some modification though, doesn't it?
Yeah, a good bit of kit. Yeah, I mean, it's a good bit of kit, and it's great, but it doesn't come with the battery relocation. It does come with the battery relocation, but it's for the FD2, so obviously it doesn't fit. We've worked this morning, actually, to be fair, with the hybrid racing mount, and then we've modified it to basically fit an FN2. We are sort of in talks with hybrid racing about obviously sending that back to them, and so that they can actually sell a UK FN2 kit.
If you're watching hybrid racing,
yeah. So we've contacted them and obviously told them we've modified one of theirs, and obviously we're willing to send it back to them, and then obviously they can produce them or whatever. But whether that'll happen or not, I don't know. But we talked about that. We fitted actually a CPL battery relocation is what we fitted obviously in this particular car this morning.
Thank you, CPL.
So, obviously again cut a bit on. Cut a bit on the
Tegiwa.
Was it Tegiwa?
Tegiwa.
Yeah,
sorry.
There you go.
Well, thanks CPL anyway. But
yeah.
Tegiwa.
Yeah. Obviously cut a piece out the inner wing to obviously make it all fixed. It's 3.5 inches, it's got to go behind the headlight. Brought it down, obviously you can keep the original wheel arch liner. It is tight, you do have to put a bit of pressure on it to obviously get the clips back in, but it does fit. If you get it obviously all located in the right place. So I think it's done really well, I think, this car. It's still got the standard cat in it, it's still got the standard manifold in it.
To make nearly 220 brake?
Yeah, nearly 220 brake. Considering it's still got that standard manifold and standard cat in it, I'm really happy with that.
I'm sure I'll be having lots of fun in this on the way back to Wales, which is where he's come from.
Yeah, made good gains. I mean, we started at 165 wheel horsepower, and we finished at, I think 189 is where we finished.
Yeah.
189 wheel horsepower. So there should be, a significant noticeable difference.
There's a thump in that mid-range, as per usual.
For sure.
Do you want to look at the graph?
Go on then.
Okay, so as we always say, red line is as she came in, blue line is as she leaves. And yeah, gains right across the rev range there, dollop of torque in the mid-range, and lots of power. And we finish on, I'm calling that 220, tuner's prerogative, 220 brake horsepower, and 189 at the wheels. So there you go. It's another one in the bag, ladies and gentlemen. And today's code word in the video below, if you'd be so kind, is to drop hybrid racing. And let's get hybrid racing on the scene and make sure that they modify or create this kit solely for the FN2s. That's what we want, so fingers crossed. And we'll see you on the next one. Hey, Rich! Richard? See you on the next one. We will indeed. Well, whilst I eat all the chocolate hobnobs, Richard's going to go and show the customer how to use all the maps. Off he goes. He didn't get very far, did he? Well, I'm going for my tea.